Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome back to Lindsay's Serendipity. I am so excited to show you the Christmas decor at Dollar Tree for this year. These are everything that you need this holiday season that look more expensive than they actually are. Okay, we are going to start off today in the coffee mug section, and they have a great variety, so I'm really excited to share with you guys what I find. So sit back, enjoy, and let's go ahead and get started on what I found at the Dollar Tree today. These coffee mugs are a must. You can gift these to people. You can put Hershey Kisses in them for Christmas, or you can make your own hot cocoa and then put saran wrap around it with a little ribbon. Or you can just collect them for yourself and put them at your own hot cocoa bar. But they have so many. If you want to grab one of each and just gift them to different teachers and neighbors and whatnot, I think it's definitely a go. Here you see their stems. I like a lot of them, not all of them, but some of them are really pretty. So if you pick and choose like the right combination, I think you could actually make your own floral stem for Christmas. I am going to pick out my own combination here and show you what it looks like in the vases down below. So I did pick out some white stems. I picked out the holly with the frosted looking leaves and some berries, and this is what I came up with. I think it's beautiful compared to what you would spend at Hobby Lobby. I know it's hit or miss at the Dollar Tree as far as their stems go, but I think this right here looks fantastic together. You can't go wrong with these light up candy canes that you can put outside your door every year and just leading up to the pathway of your front door. I feel like you can't get them any cheaper than here. I know Walmart sells them, but they're probably cheaper here at the Dollar Tree. I picked up these specific LED twinkle lights a few years ago, and they still held up until this day. This one has cars with the Christmas tree. I did purchase it for my son's Christmas tree in his room, and we still have them till this day. So I would definitely recommend. They have a bunch of different ones. They do not have just like the regular lights, but they have, as you can see, snowflakes, and then they have cars, and they just have like different options. So if you want to make it fun, you definitely could do that. This one is a different type of snowflake, as you can see. And then here, moving along, are gnomes. These are like stakes. You could definitely put these in like a poinsettia and gift them to somebody, just if you want to add like your own personal touch. With a card, you could do that. And then they have gnomes here as well. So I did not see any at the Target Bullseye Playground this year. So if you are into gnomes, the Dollar Tree has them. That you just saw is for your front door. And then here you will see these signs are beautiful. Again, you could find them at the Bullseye Playground or at Walmart, but where cheaper to get them than at the Dollar Tree. And since the outside is wooden, you could definitely paint them your own color. This is great for DIY, these snow globes. I personally, if I were to give them to a teacher, I would decorate the inside, like the lid. I would glue like those little snowman on there or little bottle brush trees, and then stick a gift card, maybe put some glitter in there. Or if you want to gift it to students, like to a bunch of kids, I would put like Play-Doh in like a plastic wrap and add like little glitter and stuff that they can do their own DIY Play-Doh. I think that's a really good idea. You would have to find little bags to put it in there, but I just think it's, a way to get clever with it. This faux fur wreath is also really pretty. It's something different. You could hang it on a doorknob. You don't have to just like hang it on a tree. And I love this flock tree here. I wasn't a fan of those bottle brush trees over there. I'm not even showing you because they're just so much glitter and everything, but the flock tree is beautiful. But that's going to conclude today's video. Thank you for being here. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more, please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.